Hi, I'm Dr. Andrew Kerr, and I'm the manager of the Dale Etheridge Planetarium at the College of Southern Nevada on the North Las Vegas campus. Welcome to the November 24th Thanksgiving week edition of the Las Vegas Weekly Night Sky. In these videos, we want to let you know a little bit about what you can go outside and look for in the nighttime sky, especially because on Thanksgiving, you might need to take a little bit of time away from your friends and family and get a few moments to yourself. We'll begin this week on Thanksgiving itself at around 7 p.m. The moon will be over in the south-southwest and very nearly at the first quarter phase. It is in the constellation of Aquarius on Thursday and should be impossible to miss. The first quarter is one of the best times to look at the moon, as the long shadows near the Terminator, the line between light and dark on the moon's surface, give a 3D appearance to the features near there. Saturn won't be too far behind the moon on Thanksgiving. It will look like a yellowish tinted star and will be the next brightest object over in the south behind the moon. Saturn is nearly 10 times the distance from the sun that the Earth is, and it takes almost 30 Earth years for Saturn to travel around the sun one time. One way that Saturn is a bit speedier than the Earth is the length of its day. Saturn spins once on its axis in about 10.5 hours compared to Earth's 24 hours. Over in the east early Thursday evening, you'll have Taurus the Bull and the Pleiades out to look at. Orion is just peeking over the horizon at 7 p.m. and will be easier to see in an hour or so. If you look closely at the picture, you'll also see Uranus out there to the right of Pleiades. You won't be able to see it with just your eyes, but it does show up in a telescope as a pale green spot against the background. Jupiter will rise at 8 p.m. and will be pretty easy to find in the east by 9 o'clock. Look for it in a curved line with the bright stars Castor and Pollux that are the heads of Gemini the twins. Orion is also high enough up in the sky to be seen pretty easily at this point. We here at the Dale Etheridge Planetarium would like to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving week, and join us again next week for some new weekly sky highlights. I look forward to seeing you at the planetarium.